Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to make a beautiful Gandhi Jayanti bookmark using dried flower petals. Take white chart paper and cut it to the size you need. Draw a vertical line through the center to divide it in half. Score along the line and fold the paper. On one half, cut out a small rectangular opening. Paste a transparent sheet behind using glue. On the other half, spread glue and place the dried flower petals neatly. Now apply glue inside and join both halves together. Cut out a Mahatma Gandhi silhouette from black chart paper and stick it on the transparent sheet. Write your favorite Gandhi quote on the bookmark. Punch a hole at the top and add a tassel or ribbon for the final touch. Your handmade bookmark is ready. Try it out and let me know how yours turns out in the comments. Keep crafting, keep creating, and subscribe for more DIY ideas.